a monumental day for American democracy. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled today presidents have absolute immunity for official acts.
But the High Court ruled presidents are not immune from prosecution for unofficial acts. The question to be answered now, what qualifies as an official act? In a 6-3 ruling along ideological lines, the justices threw out a lower court's decision that had rejected former President Trump's claim of immunity from federal criminal charges involving his efforts to overturn the 2020 election.
President Biden condemned the ruling, calling it a dangerous precedent. Sandra Mitchell here now with a look at the ruling and what it means for Trump and American democracy. Sandy.
Well, Cher, I can tell you that Trump is celebrating what he is calling a big win tonight. President Biden with a warning saying if Trump is reelected, today's ruling means he will be emboldened to do whatever he wants. A quick condemnation from President Biden.
No one is above the law, not even the President of the United States.
In a brief White House speech, Biden criticizing the Supreme Court ruling. In a 6-3 opinion, the High Court said a former president cannot be prosecuted for official actions while on the job, but there is not immunity for unofficial acts. Biden warning if elected again, Trump would abuse that power.
The American people must decide whether Donald Trump's assault on our democracy on January 6th makes him unfit for public office in the highest office in the land. The American people must decide if Trump's embrace of violence to preserve his power is acceptable.
Reacting on his Truth Social account, Trump called the ruling brilliantly written and wise and clears the stench from the Biden trials and hoaxes used as an unfair attack on crooked Joe Biden's political opponent, me. Trump's lawyers now seek to file a motion to challenge the guilty verdict in his criminal hush money trial.
It's a huge win for Trump.
Many legal scholars agree this could help Trump avoid prison time.
This is a victory for the former president in the sense that we have the Supreme Court saying there is at least some immunity from criminal prosecution for former presidents.
But President Biden insists ultimately U.S. voters will get the chance to hold Trump responsible.
The American people must decide if they want to entrust the president once again, the presidency, to Donald Trump, now knowing he'll be even more emboldened to do whatever he pleases whenever he wants to do it.
Trump is scheduled to be sentenced for that hush money conviction 1 week from Thursday, but if the judge permits his attorneys to file that motion to throw out the conviction, the sentencing could be delayed. Certainly been a good few days for the Trump campaign. Cher, back to you.
All right, Sandy, thank you.